For some of the properties, we may ask that applicants have a local connection to the area the property is located in. Your local connection may be, for example, mother, father, son, daughter, brother or sister. You may need to move to receive care or provide care for a close family member. If the answer is yes, you will need to supply the name and address so we can verify the connection. If you or another member of your household are currently employed, please click yes. You will be taken to another section which will ask you for more information about your current job circumstances. You will need to supply the name and address of your employer, how long you have been employed and the type of contract. You will only see this page if you have lived in your current home for less than 5 years. Please provide all the information about where you have lived in the last 5 years, giving details of the address, dates from and to, who you had the mortgage with or the landlord's details, type of tenure and reason for leaving. If there is any more information you feel you need to tell us, please fill in this box. This will ensure we are giving you the correct band. Equal opportunities are used to make sure that UChoose offers a fair and equal service to everyone. By knowing this information about you, it helps us make the process better for you. All the information on the application form is confidential. If you choose not to answer the questions, please click Save and Continue. The next page is to choose your nationality. Please select the relevant option. EEA stands for European Economic Area. Section 11 is the final section. It is important for us to find out about past offences or complaints. If you choose the false option, we will write out to you requesting further information. This is the declaration. By agreeing, you are confirming that all the information you have provided is correct, and if you have a change of circumstances, you will notify your lead landlord. All information will stay protected under the Data Protection Act 1998. It also gives us access to information about you to support your application. You will need to tell us if you or a member of your household has any connection with UChoose partner. If you are unsure, please contact your lead landlord who will advise you. At the bottom of the form, you will be required to click yes or no. After this has been done, your application will be complete. Thank you. You have now completed the application form. Please make a note of your user ID, which can be found in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Your password is your date of birth. This information will allow you to access your application at a later date. Now we have your application, we need to check and assess it. To do this, we will require proof of identity, such as a copy of your passport, proof of current address, such as a copy of a gas bill, proof of child benefit or tax credit awards for each child who will live with you, evidence of your housing needs, such as a proof of pregnancy, medical letter, a possessions notice, or prohibition order where applicable. We will be writing to you within the next 10 working days for this information and any other information we may need. If you are unhappy with any of the sections, you can go back via the application index and change your information. When you are interested in a property, you need to make an expression of interest. This is called an EOI. You can make an expression of interest on a property by using your login details to log on the UChoose website and clicking the Property tab. A property search box will appear. After you have found a relevant property, click Add EOI to express an interest. You can also use a touch-tone telephone by calling 0845 606 5080. You can also send a text to 077 86 202 343. Your text message will need to look like this. You will need your user ID, date of birth and the property reference number. You can find this next to the address on the property. Properties are updated weekly and you can view which properties are available by going into your local partnership office or on the UChoose website. On Wednesday, new properties will go on the website. These will run until midnight the following Tuesday. After you have made an expression of interest in a property, UChoose will create a shortlist of all the expressions of interest made for that property. These are ranked according to banding and other criteria. To find a full list of ranking criteria, click on Full Details. These are listed under Essential, Highly Preferred and Preferred. If your expression of interest is successful, you will then be made an offer either verbally or in writing, and a viewing of the accommodation will be arranged. Each lead landlord will have their own contracts for you to sign. Arrangements for these to be signed will be made. Thank you for applying to the UChoose Choice-Based Letting Scheme. We wish you the best of luck with finding a new home.